Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys. Oh, my dog's bringing me a little toy. I think he wants to play. Anyways, I'm waiting for my husband to wake up, so I thought I would pull out some more of my Christmas items. I did order something from Joann's, and I went there yesterday to pick it up, and of course they can't find the item. There were two small little mini wreaths that I wanted to use for my kitchen cabinet doors. So I went ahead and found these in my bucket in one of the bedrooms. So I think I'm going to be doing something with those and my buffalo check ribbon. Now I found this little tree here over at an estate sale, and I only bought that for a couple dollars. So I thought I'm going to do something with that. I'm going to decorate that. And I went ahead and pulled out my bucket. Let me show you over here. And of course I got a big mess on my counter. I think I got rid of a bunch of stuff in a yard sale that I had. So now I'm looking for my stuff to decorate, and I can't find anything. I had a little pink tree for my granddaughter. That's gone. Maybe she didn't want it anymore. But anyways, I got a mess with all my stuff out to see what I can decorate with. So let's see what I can come up with. I went ahead and hung my ribbon. I want to test out the length and see how it's going to hang. I do want my wreath to hang in the middle of my cabinet door. Also have another door here that I'll be doing the ribbon and the wreath on. Now actually I'm using a candle ring holder, but like I said, Joann's couldn't find the wreaths that I'd ordered, so I'm improvising and we're going to see how these are going to look. Okay, the only thing you need to do is take your ribbon and wrap it around the ring, and then I am going to get my hot glue gun out and glue the back of the ribbon to hold it on. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how that's done. I went ahead and moved the branches out of the way so I could attach the ribbon. All I need to do is get some hot glue and glue that one little piece to the back of the ribbon, and then we'll be ready to hang it. So while I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to heat up, I want to show you what I made here. I did get these little reindeer at an estate sale, and those were only like $1 each, and I added the buffalo ribbon. So I went ahead and found the little Let It Snow over at Home Goods, and that was $4.99. Added some white lights, and I did get some little greenery, some Christmas greenery to add to the tray. I added a little buffalo check napkin, and then I have my little salt and pepper shakers that have a little rooster on them, so I think that's super cute. I got those at a little store called the Tin Roof in my area. And then back there is a little silver tree, and that's actually a candle, which I won't light, but I just like the way that looked. So I think this came out really cute, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Hey guys, when you're using the hot glue gun, you want to be real careful that you don't get it on your skin. It's super hot. Now I'm just going to put a line here and then fold over the ribbon, and that will stick on there like that. And just like I said, be real careful because this glue gets on your skin and it burns. It's really hot, and that's that easy. I went ahead and attached my tape, and that's all you need. The wreath is super light, so that's enough to hold it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what they look like. My project is finished, and it was super easy to make. All you need is some ribbon, a mini wreath or a candle ring holder, and some hot glue. So I think it came out super cute, and I think this adds to your decor in your home for the holidays. I think after Christmas, I might incorporate the buffalo check into my kitchen and maybe change out these wreaths with the boxwood. So let's go ahead and start on the other project and see what I can come up with. Well, I'm going to decorate this tree that I have here. I think I'll start off with the lights. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I do have that buffalo check ribbon, so I might make a bow for the top and see about maybe putting some ribbon around the tree. So let's go ahead and string the lights and see what I can come up with. Okay guys, I want to show you how to make a bow with your wired ribbon, and it's really easy. Now you can take the bottom here and measure up about 4 inches, and all you do is pinch it together. Now I'm not going to cut the ribbon because I won't be using the bow. Go ahead and you pinch the other side together, and then you put it together, and then all you do is push this down in the middle and then fix your little bow here, and then you can get yourself a pipe cleaner and attach it to hold your bow together, and there you have it. It's that easy. So I went ahead and attached the lights, and all I did is plug the lights in and strung them around all the way up to the top, and I made a little bow for the top of the tree. So let me go ahead and find some other stuff and see how I'm going to decorate it. I found these candle ring holders, so I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to cut off the berries and attach them to the tree here. Now I went ahead and put one of them in there, and then all I did over here is took a little piece of ribbon and cut it and folded the edges, and then I just pushed it in the middle and it looks like a bow. So I think I'm going to make some of those and add in the berries. So let's go ahead and see how that's going to turn out. So for my tree, I went ahead and made this little bow. Now all I did is cut off a little piece of ribbon, and I folded the sides over and hot glued it, and then all I did is pinch it together and added a little berry to it and hot glued it, and it was that easy. Here's a look at the bow I made. Now this is super easy to make. I snipped off one of the little berries and used my hot glue gun and just glued that to the middle of the bow. So I made a couple more and put them on the tree. And then again, I used my candle ring holder that had berries on it, and I just snipped those off and put those on the tree. So I hope you enjoyed my projects that I did today, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY decorating. Until next time, happy decorating!